What's going on? Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an email SMTP to your Legendary Leads account. In this example, I'm going to use Gmail, but you can use any service. If you have the updated Gmail, it's going to work the same way. So what you're going to want to do is on your dashboard, go to Settings and go to Email Services. And what you're going to want to do is click Add Service. From this drop down, you can see there's a list: Gmail, Yahoo Mail, SendGrid, or other. If you have another provider, it'll basically be the same process that you're going to watch me do for Gmail. You'll just enter the name, server, port number, username, and email and password here. So in this example, we'll show you how to do Gmail. So if you don't have two-factor authentication on for Gmail, you will have to turn that on first. So I'm going to show you how to do that and get an app password specifically for this process. So in Gmail, this is a brand new account. This will be the default for people who don't use their own provider. So you'll want to update this so it's sending from your client instead of the default one. Basically, you'll click Manage Your Google Account here. Click on the Security tab. Scroll down. You can see two-step verification is off. We're going to want to turn that on. So get started, hit Continue, and we'll verify with a text message. Hit send, and it's going to send me a text, and I'm going to enter that code. Hit next, and turn that on. So now that is good. You could also switch it to Authenticator app or another process if you want. And then we'll go back, and now you can see app passwords is available. So that's what we're going to do. You'll select the app as Mail. For device, you can either choose Windows, computer, or Mac, depending on what you are running on. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to do Mac. Hit generate, and this will be our app password. So you're going to want to take that code, put it here for password, and the email will be whatever Gmail account you're using. If you're using a custom domain, that will work the same way as well. And once that's set up, you can see it'll be an option here. And all you want to do is click here, and it will say successfully updated default provider, and it will start sending from your domain. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to email support@tryjohnson.com, and we'll get you squared away. That being said, stay legendary, and we'll catch you on the next video.